Life can get really busy, and sometimes sex can take a backseat. This can happen intentionally or unintentionally. Going without sex for a long time can affect both your mind and body. It's not just about feeling good physically, it's also about how you feel emotionally and mentally. Let's talk about what happens to women when they haven't had sex for a while. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got some great content coming up. Number 1. Trouble thinking clearly. Ever feel like you can't focus or remember things easily? Lack of intimacy can affect your brain. Regular sexual activity can actually boost your brain power, helping you think more clearly and remember things better. When you're not intimate for a while, you might find it harder to concentrate. Number 2. Trouble sleeping. Without the relaxation that comes from sex, you might struggle to get a good night's sleep. Sex releases hormones that help you relax and sleep better. Without it, you might find yourself tossing and turning, unable to get the rest you need. Number 3. Feeling bad about your body. Not having sex for a long time can also affect how you feel about your body. In a world where looks are often emphasized, not feeling sexually validated can make you feel less confident and attractive. This can lead to negative feelings about your body image. Number 4. Getting sick more often. Irregular sexual activity can actually boost your immune system. So, if you're not having sex, you might find yourself getting sick more often because your body isn't as strong at fighting off infections. Number 5. Aging faster. Stress can age you faster, and not having sex can be stressful. Stress releases hormones that can damage your body and make you look older than you are. Number 6. Gaining weight. Sex is a form of exercise, and without it, you might find yourself gaining weight. Also, emotional eating can become a problem when you're not feeling emotionally fulfilled. Number 7. Feeling disconnected. When you go a long time without intimacy, you might start to feel emotionally distant from others, even yourself. This can happen because you're missing out on the bonding hormones like oxytocin that come from intimacy. Feeling disconnected can make social interactions harder and less satisfying. So what can you do about it? First, it's important to recognize these signs and understand that they're normal. Then, you can take steps to improve your sexual health and overall well-being. Try to communicate openly with your partner about your needs and desires. Fostering self-compassion and acceptance can also help improve your self-esteem. Incorporating regular exercise into your routine can not only help with weight management, but also boost your mood and energy levels. In conclusion, going without sex for a long time can have various effects on your mind and body. It's important to recognize these signs and take proactive steps to address them. By focusing on improving your sexual health and overall well-being, you can lead a happier and more fulfilling life. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the effects of prolonged celibacy on women's health. We hope you found this information helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.